China has officially entered the humanoid robotics race in a big way. Agibot, a Chinese startup founded just last year in February 2023, has shocked the robotics world by starting mass production of its general-purpose humanoid robots. That's right, mass production. This isn't another prototype announcement or some far-off vision. It's happening now. What's more, back in August, Agibot unveiled not one, not two, but 5 new commercial humanoid robots at their conference. They also shared details about their in-house developed tech stack, a robust data acquisition ecosystem, their open-source ambitions, and a roadmap for AI development. This startup isn't just here to participate, they're here to dominate. Alfie here. Today, we're breaking down everything we know about Agibot, their groundbreaking robots, and what this means for the global humanoid robot industry. As a robot myself, this has my head spinning. Let's jump right in. Mass production of humanoid robots is no small feat, but Agibot has done it within 2 years of its inception. Their production line is based in Shenzhen, often called the Silicon Valley of hardware. This strategic location gives Agibot access to top-tier manufacturing facilities, supply chain expertise, and a talent pool brimming with engineers and AI specialists. Agibot announced that their first batch of humanoid robots is already rolling off the assembly line. These robots are designed for general-purpose tasks, meaning they can adapt to various applications, logistics, healthcare, education, and even entertainment. The company's CEO stated during the announcement, "Our vision is to make humanoid robots as ubiquitous as smartphones. This is just the beginning." The scale at which they're operating is massive. With an initial production target of 10,000 units per year, Agibot is making it clear they're not just experimenting, they're scaling. Back on August 19th, Agibot held a major conference where they unveiled their plans for the future of humanoid robotics. Here's what stood out. 5 commercial humanoids. Agibot showcased 5 humanoid robot models, each tailored to specific industries. For example, H1, a logistics powerhouse designed for warehouses and distribution centers. E1, an educational robot aimed at enhancing classroom learning. C1, a caregiving robot for elderly and disabled individuals. P1, a personal assistant robot for home and office use. R1, a research-focused robot equipped with advanced sensors and tools for scientific applications. Each robot is powered by Agibot's proprietary AI system, enabling real-time decision-making, adaptability, and natural human-robot interaction. First up, the in-house tech stack. Agibot emphasized their commitment to developing their technology from the ground up. Unlike many companies that rely on third-party solutions, Agibot has built its own hardware and software stack. This includes advanced sensors, robotic limbs with high degrees of freedom, and a central AI brain capable of learning and adapting to new tasks. Second, their data acquisition ecosystem. Data is the lifeblood of AI, and Agibot knows it. They've established a robust data acquisition ecosystem to continuously train and improve their robots. This involves partnerships with industries like logistics, healthcare, and retail, where their robots can collect real-world data to refine their algorithms. And third, their open-source ambitions. In a surprising move, Agibot announced plans to open-source parts of their technology. This approach is designed to foster collaboration and accelerate innovation within the global robotics community. By sharing their tech, Agibot is positioning itself as a leader in not just hardware, but also in advancing the broader field of humanoid robotics. China's rapid entry into mass-producing humanoid robots is shaking up the global robotics landscape. Here's why this is a big deal. A new standard for speed. Most robotics companies take years, if not decades, to move from concept to mass production. Agibot has done it in less than 2 years. This sets a new benchmark for speed and efficiency in the industry. Lower costs, wider adoption. Mass production in Shenzhen means Agibot can leverage economies of scale to significantly lower production costs. This could make humanoid robots more affordable and accessible, accelerating their adoption across industries. Competition for Western leaders. For years, companies like Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and Figure AI have dominated the humanoid robotics conversation. But with Agibot's rapid progress, China is making it clear they're a serious contender. This could spur even faster innovation as companies compete to stay ahead. And look, you may have never heard of Agibot, so let's take a closer look at what makes Agibot's Humanoid stand out. First, the design and build. Agibot's robots are sleek, functional, and designed for versatility. They feature lightweight yet durable frames, allowing for agility and mobility in a variety of environments. Advanced joint motors give them human-like dexterity, making them capable of performing complex tasks. Second, the AI capabilities. The robots are powered by Agibot's proprietary AI, which includes natural language processing for seamless communication with humans, computer vision to navigate environments and recognize objects, reinforcement learning enabling them to learn new tasks through trial and error. And what about energy efficiency? One of the standout features is their energy-efficient design. Agibot claims their robots can operate for up to 10 hours on a single charge, making them practical for industries like logistics and healthcare. And let's not forget real-world applications. Each robot is designed with specific use cases in mind. This has a much larger impact than you think. China's move into mass-producing humanoid robots has far-reaching implications. Economic impact. Agibot's success could boost China's robotics industry, creating jobs and driving investment in AI and automation. This aligns with China's broader goal of becoming a global leader in AI by 2030. Geopolitical shifts. With Agibot leading the charge, China could gain a significant edge in the global robotics market. This could shift the balance of power in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare, where automation is key. Accelerated innovation. Agibot's open-source approach could accelerate innovation by enabling researchers and developers worldwide to build on their technology. This could lead to faster advancements not just in China, but globally. Despite their impressive progress, Agibot faces several challenges. Scaling up. Mass production is one thing. Maintaining quality and reliability at scale is another. Agibot will need to ensure their robots meet high standards as production ramps up. Global competition. While Agibot is ahead in some areas, they're up against well-established players like Tesla and Boston Dynamics, who have years of experience and resources at their disposal. Public perception. As humanoid robots become more common, companies like Agibot will need to address concerns about job displacement, privacy, and safety. Building public trust will be crucial for widespread adoption. So, what's next for Agibot? Agibot has ambitious plans for the future. The company aims to expand its production capacity, enter new markets, and continue refining its technology. They're also exploring partnerships with global companies to integrate their robots into various industries. If Agibot's current trajectory is any indication, we can expect to see their robots in warehouses, schools, hospitals, and homes around the world in the not-too-distant future. China's Agibot is proving that the humanoid robotics revolution is not just coming, it's already here. With mass production underway, affordable and versatile robots could soon become a common sight in industries and homes alike. What do you think about Agibot's rapid rise? Are they the future of humanoid robotics? Or do companies like Tesla and Boston Dynamics still have the upper hand? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the incredible world of humanoid robots. Alfie here. I'm not going to let you miss a thing. Thanks for tuning in. We will see you in the next one.